So how do you create a public profile on Snapchat? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, what is a public profile? Usually your username and everything is going to be hidden, but public profile means that you can appear in Snapchat Spotlight, you can create some videos and share it with other people and have a public profile for yourself. To get started with creating a public profile, you just have to launch the Snapchat app right like this. Then you want to make sure to tap your Bitmoji avatar from the top left hand side of the screen. When I tap on the Bitmoji avatar, if I just scroll down, here you can see a section that says create public profile under public profiles. Now in my case, I have this option available, but in your case, you could not have this option available because to enable this option, there are a couple of settings that you have to change in your privacy settings. So tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen, scroll down to the very bottom. So you can see under privacy control, the very first setting is contact me. So you can set everyone because you have to set to the maximum privacy possible, not the least privacy, but the maximum privacy. So if it is friends and everyone, you have to select everyone. If it is friends and only you have to select friends. So as I repeat, maximum privacy option in each and everything. Scroll down, go to who can use my Bitmoji avatar. So my friends or only me, you can set that to my friends. Who can send you notifications, again everyone. Come back, who can view your story, select everyone. Who can see Snapchat reply settings and so on. Who can see you in QuickAd, you can select show me in QuickAd and so on. Only once you've done that and then you refresh the Snapchat app, only then you'll be able to find this section called create public profile. So just tap on the create public profile button here, tap on the get started option from the bottom, tap on the create button. Your Snapchat public profile will be successfully created, as you can see in my public profile. That is it for today's video on how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.